actually with this here. So we need to divide this vector by the same value that we have increased it. So we add a new divide vector node and put into the second socket the scale value. And now when we scale this up, so we are getting this different boxes of colors that will be then combined with the knit stitchings. Alright, so we need to make this same setup for these other parts. So like this. So we need to actually make the same process for the different groups of knits. So we need to copy also this image texture. And we will make controllers to, just as before, to control these mapping nodes with one controlling. So we need to combine XYZ, and we are now changing the position of them both simultaneously. Okay, we now need to combine these two textures with the knitting. So we need to mix color nodes, change the blending mode to multiply. So we need to now use our smooth maximum results, or actually with the stitch texture put in the B sockets. Likewise for this here. I think we need to change this order. Yes. Alright, you see? So we are actually getting this knit kind of pattern with jacquard. So we flip this one also. And now we just need to combine these two together with another mix color node with blending mode to lighten factor 1. So alright, so we have actually done everything now. We just need to combine this into a group and connect these parameters so they are available from one group node. So this will be then the inputs, and this here we will define the outputs. Let me just move this a little bit more up so that we know what belongs together. So you can now select everything of this here and make Control G to group it. So we have made a group out of it, and now we are ready to connect all of these parameters into the group node here, into the input group. So we connect column spacing here. So you get this menu on the right if you click on keyboard on letter N. So we rename this to column spacing. Next one is stitch X spacing. you can actually simultaneously put in the default values here. Okay, now we are going to define the output values. So first we can output the height. It can be used for bump mapping. And also we can make a mask. For that we need to use a greater than node. So we can get something like this. So we also gonna have this one as a mask. Now we can also connect this color. So this is where the printing takes place, or if we remove now this image, we can change actually the color of it. So we can also connect now this to the color for the input. And the last thing that remains is to connect this record. Now we can also actually rename this to knit. Okay, so we have arrived at the end of this tutorial. I hope this was interesting and helpful for you, that you have learned something. Now you can experiment with that and make your contribution to with other kind of shaders to make the Blender community grow, of course. You can also subscribe to my channel, like this video, give me support, and maybe we will see in the next one. Bye.